Hello, welcome back. This video will focus on addition and a simple addition game you can create and play just like yesterday's addition video. However, today we are going to use cards instead of dice. There are several options you have for cards. You can use regular playing cards. Alright, so you can use regular playing cards. Just when you use the regular playing cards, you'll want to pull out the jacks, kings, and queens. You can use the aces as ones. Another option are Uno cards. Uno cards, Uno in general is just a nice game for number recognition, number fluency. If you're using Uno cards for card flip edition, you'll want to pull out this type of card. Your draw twos, your wild cards, any card that doesn't have a numeral on it. And then sometimes you'll find other games that have either amounts or numbers on them. If you don't have any of these options, you can just make number cards with index cards. I used index cards and a marker to make number cards with the numerals and the amount. If you are making number cards with the index cards, you want to make sure you have two sets of each numbers, 0 through 10. Then you can play with these cards. We are going to use the playing cards. We're not going to use the Uno cards, so I need you to put those back up, Sophie. We're not going to use those. We are going to use regular playing cards. The first thing I want to do is I want to pick out all the cards with jacks, kings, or queens. And the nice thing about this is you don't have to have a full deck to play with. You can play with a half a deck and it will work the same. So I'm throwing out all the kings and the queens and not throwing them out. Also, I'm just taking them out. The jokers as well. I really don't have any use for any of those for card flip edition. Sophie is here to model with me again.
Yep.
She is going to help play card flip edition. So I'm going to put the cards face down. I'm going to shuffle them. And then I'm going to make 2 stacks.
2 stacks.
And if you're playing together as a team, 2 people, you can go 1, 2, 3, flip, and one person flips one card, one person flips the other card, or flip both at the same time. Would you like to play as a team, Sophie? All right, you flip that stack. I'll flip the first card on that stack. I will flip the first card on this stack. 1, 2, 3, flip. All right, you have an ace, which we're going to pretend like that is 1, and I have an 8. So this is how I would record that on my card flip edition paper or whiteboard. Each card is considered a part. 8 and 1. Now, Sophie, let's figure out what 8 plus 1 is. Start with your
9.
You know it. Good job. High five. All right. If you aren't sure, you can always count on like this.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, what plus what equals what, Sophie?
1.
Plus.
9.
No, not 1 plus 9. 1 plus.
Oh, sorry. 8.
Equals.
9.
Good. All right. Let's play one more time. This time I'm going to get you to fill in our number sentence and number bond. So I will erase this. And just the numbers. I'm going to leave my number bond there. Remember, it's part, whole. The parts always go into the whole. It can be really oriented anyway. Sometimes you'll see it look like this. It's still part, whole, or like this. But it's always, no matter how it's oriented, it's always the two parts going into the whole. All right, let's put our cards back on our discard pile and try again. Are you ready, Sophie?
Yeah. I hope I get a bigger number.
1, 2, 3, flip. 4
I got a
and
bigger number.
what? What did you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Very good. Can you put 4 and 6 into our parts? Parts. Yep, there you go. 4. She's checking the 6. I think 6 and 9 confuse a lot of children at this age still. That's a 7.
Uh-huh.
You have a 6. Let's write a 6. Would you like for me to write it for you?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I wrote it for you. Now count them together or count
Mama,
on
Mama.
from 4.
Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 and what? 7.
8, 9, 10.
How many?
10.
Write 10 in your hole.
I counted.
Okay. What she's doing is double checking. We
10.
do encourage the kids to do that sometimes.
10.
Write a 10. Alright, and very good, making the 1 first and then the 0 second. Now write 4 and 6 equals 10. Or 4 plus 6 equals 10. Go back and make your 4 look like a 4. Very good. Can you read your number sentence out loud?
4 plus 6 equals 10.
High five, Sophie.
Can I put a line under it?
You want to put a line under it. While she's doing that, I'm going to just show you Sophie's workspace, her school from home workspace that she's been using. We have workbooks and just activities in these little baskets, as well as her phonics readers and school supplies up here on the tabletop. And there is her work she is currently working on. Bye for now. I will see you guys with more math videos on Monday.